The Lotus Temple in Delhi, India, is a stunning architectural marvel and a beacon of unity among diverse faiths. Completed in 1986, this Baha'i house of worship is inspired by the lotus flower, a symbol of purity and enlightenment. Its design features 27 petal-like structures made from white marble, which give it an ethereal presence. The temple stands out not only for its beauty, but also for its commitment to inclusivity. It welcomes visitors from all backgrounds to meditate and reflect. The Lotus Temple's origins trace back to the Baha'i faith, which emphasizes the oneness of humanity and encourages harmony among different religions. Over the years, the temple has hosted millions of visitors, becoming a vital aspect of the local community. Events and gatherings promote interfaith dialogue, fostering a sense of belonging and understanding. The tranquil gardens surrounding the temple offer a serene escape from the bustling city life, inviting contemplation and peace. As an architectural achievement and a cultural landmark, the Lotus Temple exemplifies the spirit of unity, making it a must-visit destination for those seeking both beauty and connection in their spiritual journey.